this that make you crazy? Maybe.
Either that or Christmas tree.
She eats a Christmas tree too. She eat both of them. Shrimpies. Shrimpies.
She's like, I know that all those tails are in there.
Shrimpies.
Jesus Christ. I don't think she's ever talked this much, ever. Did you just try to fist bump my cat's face?
Yeah, she did it. She walked into it. Now you just shocked yourself. Oh. You gonna get me? You gonna win?
She's like, that's not a shrimp. I know they're in there.
You knock all the books over.
I don't care, I'm a cat.